Hello there, this is Doc Mountain and welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually connect your Binance e-wallet, your yellow card, as well as your ePay account to Taka Live for easy withdrawal. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Taka Live. And there we go. We are in. So now in the bottom right corner, that's where you actually have to click on that circle icon. When you click there, you'll be brought here. So now what you're seeing may not be the very things that you may see if you happen to log into your account, because the rows matter the most. If you're an agent, you'll be seeing what I'm seeing here. If you are a mere host, you'll be seeing something different. So don't you get bothered when you see something different. The focus is how to withdraw and where you have to click for it to make a withdrawal. So you see what it says coins, top up, beans, cash out. Click cash out. Whether it's 47,052 beans, click cash out. And then when you get here, you'll see this. They're actually showing you the methods by which you can withdraw. So if you happen to click USDT, this is what you'll see. So payment method, you can actually click there for you to paste in the e-wallet, address. So you click payment method, the one which is just right at the bottom of current type. Leave it at USDT, then click payment method and be brought here. So if you click now USDT, you simply click T and this bottom section will actually be displayed where it says USDT wallet. So if you click here, you'll see that the keyboard will be activated. That's why you have to paste the wallet address. So we can move out of here. We go to yellow card. If you're using yellow card, we go to yellow card. Where's yellow card here? Come on, yellow card, where are you hiding? Okay, yellow card. And boom, we are in. Okay, so there's somewhere it says ZK, Bitcoin. You swipe left, USDT. Click there. You have to make sure that the network you're using is TRC20. So here, you simply click receive. And then you'll see this. So you simply copy that. Copy, you click copy. And then we go back to Taka. And we're going to have to paste in here. When you paste in the wallet address, you can now enter here the amount of beans. I don't know if you're able to see that where it reads official method. Then you click the amount of beans. So for you to be able to withdraw the beans from here, you have to have 100,000 beans, and that equates to $10. Okay, so you can punch in 10,000. So that's now that's 100,000. Very good. 100,000 beans equal to $10. And then from here, you simply click withdraw and you be good. So now I'm actually erasing that wallet address which I pasted in. That one was actually gotten from yellow card. Let's go to buy. So now if you want to use a different withdrawal method, you simply click cash out. And then if you want to use ePay, you simply click ePay. Then you now go ahead ePay currency type, that's ePay. Payment method, click ePay, and then after you click there, it will actually open the bottom section here where you need to enter the details. So for ePay, you simply have to punch in the email address with which you had opened the ePay account. When you enter it here, and all those other details that are needed, you now have to punch in the amount of beans that is needed, and then you withdraw the money. As simple as that. So friends, that's how we withdraw money from Taka Live. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share the video, to hit the like button, and to subscribe to the channel. Stay blessed.